All right, I'm starting a game project using Blender to create the characters and creatures, and the twist is I barely know how to use Blender. I'm Ty Farrell, and I'm building a 3D side-scroller game inspired by Hollow Knight. I decided to document everything from day one. This is especially because the challenge of seeing is it possible to learn Blender while making this game. We'll see. So this fan-made inspired game is not titled yet. The basic idea, you'll play as a lone spider fighting an ant queen in her army. It's going to be finalized in Unreal Engine as a game. And first I need to do a spider character, and that means it's Blender time. All right, so here I am in the Blender screen on my computer. New Blender 5.0, and I can see here that if I go to new file, one of these will give me, rights to use the screen back here. So I want to go to sculpting. Cool. Now it doesn't work. I'm up somebody from Maya. Oh, that worked. It doesn't work. I'm just clicking buttons, right? I'm trying control mouse clicking, control left mouse. It doesn't work. I can't do much. Now I'm going to go here on the right and use this arrow here. So I've quickly learned, and I need to quickly learn how to sculpt with this thing. So I'm going to need sculpting brushes. I just want to learn the basics here, maybe just a few that I really need, and I'll build on that later on. And then I need to get a grip on the Blender camera and the shortcuts for these camera motions. Without that knowledge, I can tell the creation time will just triple. And I'll probably keep learning, centered around that stuff for right now and build on that. Now, if you are learning Blender, feel free to join me on my mad expedition. I'll post updates as I struggle, learn. And you can post tips, questions, concerns in the comment section. I'm hoping that next video I will be able to show you my first attempt at sculpting the main character for this game. All right, take care until then.